parents are dead, and we're orphans, and you're a useless ninja.
Huh? What do you know about me apart from the fact that I'm better than you'll ever be?
So with Ronan, do you like that guy and don't make this hot?
Go back to where you came from and go back to school because you can't do a sum. Your hair's too spiky, and go sip some tea with Master Wu or I'll sue you.
What do you want from me anyway? You're a water ninja, aren't you? As your older brother, do as I say.
I may be a girl, but I'm not your servant. Don't be sexist. Go do some fitness as you look like a wilted flower. Say goodbye to Skylar.
I saw you with Jay the other day. You look like the happiest girl alive, even though I made you smile when you were 5.
Who cares if you know about Jay? Our love will never die, even though our parents are dead. All that said, you're always going to play this game to get yourself some fame, but you won't because you're too lame.
You're my sister and I love you, but please stop naming these few, which we call our family and friends, and I know you love Jay more than me, as he fans, as you say. Oh my god, are you rapping? We did that earlier. It was fun. Nice to see you siblings rapping. Mia, honey, tell me when you're done.
Okay, Jay, I'll be right there, and I hope this rap was fair.
No, you wouldn't dare say that, and you just sat on one of Zane's ninja stars, which means you're the loser, and I'm one of the superstars.